Please note, this video was made to help prove to you how tough our products are. It was not made to give you dumb ideas. Do not recreate or reenact any stunts seen in this video.
Welcome to Man vs. Tool. Today, Man is up against the Milwaukee magnetic tape measure. Milwaukee claims that it will last 10 times as long as a standard tape. They also claim that the numbers won't ever wear off. We're putting that to the test. First up, ladder drop. Well, it didn't close before impact, so it's a bit cut up, but it survived the impact. Let's try to scratch those numbers off. Looks pretty good to me. Here's a standard tape. Well, I guess you can read it. Another point for the red team. It's time to run it over. I see a crack, but it's not that bad. Here's the control. It definitely looks worse. Now here's an idea. First up, the orange tape. Let's bring out the Milwaukee. The orange one is completely unusable. Milwaukee isn't even phased. Is Man gonna throw in the towel? I bet you this happens all the time at the work site. It's a little scratched up, but once it gets cleaned out, it should be just fine. Sorry, Man. This tape is a lot tougher than we thought. If you're looking for a good solid tape that will last you a long time, pick up the Milwaukee magnetic tape measure at Toolbarn.com.